Your first court appearance is usually called an arraignment. Most courts schedule all their arraignments at one time. Once they get everybody into the courtroom, they'll show a video explaining the procedure and the various pleas you can enter. These arraignment videos often don't disclose mandatory penalties. Once they start court, each person is called up in front of the judge individually. The judge reads you the charges, explains the penalties, and asks you how you plead. If you plead guilty, the judge will normally sentence you on the spot. If you plead not guilty, the case will be scheduled for a court date later on. Some courts tell you the date right there. Others will notify you by mail. Judges will sometimes address the matter of bond at your first appearance. This is especially true if you're in jail, live outside the jurisdiction, or you're charged with certain offenses such as a felony, a repeat offense, or a domestic violence. Nearly all court proceedings are taped or transcribed by a court reporter. Don't discuss the facts of your case at your arraignment, since anything you say will be taken down and used against you later on. If you're unsure about what plea to enter, then plead not guilty, until at least you have a chance to consult an attorney. If you plead guilty or no contest, there's a possibility that the judge will send you to jail immediately. Keep in mind that many offenses, such as a DUI, driving under suspension, a drug offense, and so on, now carry mandatory jail, fines, license suspensions, and vehicle impoundment, even on a first offense. By pleading guilty at your arraignment, you eliminate any possibility of negotiating lesser charges or penalties. Here's some additional tips. Most courts have websites to help you locate the courthouse. When you get to the courthouse, ask the officer at the metal detector where to check in for arraignments. Complaining witnesses and police officers are usually not required to be there. Prosecutors are usually not present. If you fail to appear, a warrant may be issued for your arrest and your driver's license may be suspended. If you retain an attorney before the arraignment, most judges will allow you to skip the personal appearance and permit your attorney to file a not guilty plea in writing.